video, let me show you how I keep the record of WhatsApp in Google Sheets in 5 minutes. I'm going to create this entire connection. So this is my Google Sheets and let me type a message right here through the WhatsApp. What are the services that you provide? I will share this message on WhatsApp, and now if I'm going to open my Google Sheets, you will find the same message is kept as a record. This is the message ID. Over here the name is Angel, the person I've texted. This is the phone number and the messages. Hey, what are the services that you provide? The exact same message that I've forwarded. Like this, when you will receive messages from your customers, you will find all the messages in a systematic record in one place, and we are going to learn how you can create the setup in this video under 5 minutes. I've been creating our automations for years now using the software Pabbly Connect. So now let's use Pabbly Connect to create this setup very quickly. Now if you want the free template of this automation that I've created in this video, you have to comment down below. I will share you the link. Let's dive into the creation now. In order to access Pabbly Connect, you have to search for pabbly.com/connect on a new tab, and then you have to sign in to Pabbly Connect and you will come to the dashboard like this. Now to create a new automation, go to this Create Workflow button and select the option Create using AI right here. You can create automations very easily and faster using this option now. And type in what you want. What do I want? I want to add WhatsApp message to Google Sheets. Okay, so I will send this prompt, and as soon as I will do that, AI will analyze my request. I will capture the response of WhatsApp message through WhatsApp Cloud API. So I will search WhatsApp Cloud API and select the option Message Notification, Google Sheets, Add New Row. I will approve because this is the exact workflow I want, and open the workflow. You will see the workflow is going to be created in front of you. Now let's just simply build the connections and the entire setup will be created. Let me open my trigger. You will find the webhook URL using which you have to create the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. First of all, create your entire setup of WhatsApp Cloud API, and then only you can create the connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Pabbly Connect. So go towards the configuration page of your WhatsApp Cloud API in Meta. Then after coming to configuration, you will find the option of callback URL. Paste the webhook URL right here, and now to have this verified token, go towards this hyperlink directly inside Pabbly Connect's workflow trigger. You will come to Pabbly forum where you will find the token directly. Copy this token from here and paste it down in the field inside WhatsApp Cloud API. Verify and save, and as soon as you will do that, automatically you will see the webhook URL is going to be added inside your WhatsApp Cloud API account. Now remember one thing, add in the subscriptions right here. All my subscriptions are turned on. You have to add all the subscriptions right here. After adding the URL, subscribe to all the buttons, toggle the button on, only leave message echoes, message hangovers, stay by. You have to leave these options. Other than that, you have to subscribe to all the options. Okay, this is how you create the connection. Now to check whether WhatsApp Cloud API is connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will recapture the response right here and I will send in another message. Hey, I need assistant. Can you please give your support team details? As soon as I will send the message in the trigger, you will see within few seconds the response of the same message is going to be captured. If we are going to tally the response, this is the same message. You can see, hey, I need assistant. Can you please give me the support team details? All the things like the phone number, ID, name, everything is going to be captured. WhatsApp Cloud API is connected. Now let's add this data in our Google Sheets. Let's create the setup. Go to this connect. I will show you how you can add a new connection from here. Click on the sign in with Google button. Select the account that you want to connect. Give the permission to the account, and as soon as you will do that, Google Sheets is going to be connected. As now we have done that, it is asking for us to select the spreadsheet, for which I will select WhatsApp messages and sheet 1. So select the details right here. As soon as you will do that, these are the headers that you will see just like that. You will see it inside Pabbly Connect. Now for the data of these fields, we'll map the data. Mapping is inserting the data from the previous step. Add a slash where you want to map the data. Search for the thing that you want to map and select the data from the previous response. As now this data has been selected from the previous response, the data is mapped, and as we have mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map in other details right over here, and after filling all the details, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request button. As soon as I've done that, I've received this response, which is a positive response, and in Google Sheets you will see the record of the same message has been created. So this is how simple it is to create the connection between WhatsApp and Google Sheets, so that now whenever you receive a new WhatsApp message, using WhatsApp Cloud API trigger is going to capture the response and send that data to Google Sheets. So you need to create the API setup, remember that. And if you want to learn how you can create the setup, in the same forum you will find the video also. Go ahead, create the setup, create this amazing automation, and now you will have the record of all the WhatsApp messages in a systematic manner in Google Sheets. So this is how I've created the connection under 5 minutes in this video. If you have questions or doubts, comment down below and I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. And remember, the coupon code on the left side of the screen will get you instant discounts on the purchase of yearly and lifetime deal of Pabbly Connect. So go ahead and use the code ANGYT. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.